I wasn't going to speak about this, but since my face is being shared all over again, I am going to tell my story in my own words. 3 years ago, during the African casting period, mind you, I did not know that I'm meeting African casting. I didn't know I'm going for an audition. I was not looking for opportunities to become a model. Let's get that out the way. I just knew I'm meeting a man by the name of Ivo or Evil. What I went through deeply affected me, and I chose to heal privately, away from public eye. I did not come to the media. I want to be clear that I'm not speaking about this because it is trending. And in bold, I repeat, it was never about the money. I stayed silent for years because I was trying to survive and move forward. My face resurfaced without a voice. I felt it was important for me to speak with honesty and care rather than actually letting assumptions speak for me. All this, I'm not gonna lie, changed on how I trust people and certain space. And I'm glad that I did the work. I healed without a public eye. I did that all by myself. I also want to acknowledge other girls that went through the same experience that I am going through. If you're watching this and you are trying to heal or trying to process all of this, I want you to know that you are not weak, you are not easy, and you are not late. Everyone's journey looks different. I'm not here as a victim. I am here as someone who chose healing, and right now I am choosing clarity. Thank you for listening, and I will be going in details, most probably because I've been trying to upload the story time, but it seems like it's too long for me to upload it here. I'm not too sure, so maybe I'll do it in parts or I'll just go live. I'm not sure. Toodles.